Hey guys, it's Sammy. So welcome back for day 6 of the July workout challenge. So for today's challenge, we are going to be doing a little bit of a Poomsae workout. So if you enjoy doing forms, this is going to be a workout that you're really going to love. Before we get started, make sure that you do a really good warm-up. So whether that is just doing some squats, jumping jacks, push-ups, sit-ups, that kind of a thing. Maybe you go on a jog, or maybe like yesterday, you want to do a little bit of jump rope. Just make sure that your body is warmed up. Also make sure that you're following us on Instagram at Live Martial Arts for daily motivation and reminders, as well as the Facebook group. I will leave it linked in the description below. And last thing, because you guys are doing the July workout challenge, you guys get 25% access to all of my courses. If you love training online and watching videos, I have some entire full-length courses like for working on your leg control, kicking higher, sparring. They are 25% off, and I will also leave those linked in the description below, as well as downloading the July workout challenge. But let's go ahead and just get started with the Poomsae workout today. All right, for the first part of the workout challenge today, we are gonna be doing your form 5 times. So whatever your Poomsae is that you're working on right now, or if you have a whole bunch you need to work on, just pick your favorite one. Let's do it 5 times. I'm just gonna pick 5 random Poomsaes that I like to do for mine. All right, we have 3 more steps to go. The second part of the challenge today is going to be holding a front stance for 1 minute. You can do these on each side. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to have 1 minute on the timer. Get ready, get set, and let's go. Just hold a front stance. Some key tips for your front stance is as you're holding it, make sure if you look down, you should not be able to see your toes. Your knees should be covering your toes. Your back leg shouldn't be all the way forward. It shouldn't be all the way sideways. It should just be angled out to the corner like this. Your hips, you don't want your hips opening up. You want them turned the direction that you are going. And basically, yeah, just hold just like this. If you want, you can chamber your hands at your hips. Make sure that your back is straight. And just work on holding. We are more than halfway there, guys. If you feel that your front leg is starting to feel a little bit of a burn, don't worry, that is normal, so just go ahead and hold it. If you feel like this part of the challenge is a little bit too much, then just go ahead, shake your legs out, and just do it in little parts. If you can only do 10 seconds at a time, that is completely fine. We have about 5 more seconds. And time. Now let's do the other side. I'm gonna do it forward this time. Ready, get set, and go. Same thing, look down, make sure you can't see your toes. Make sure that your back leg is all the way extended. You don't want your heel to be coming up off the ground either. You want your heel on the floor. Back is straight. And just hold it right here. We're almost halfway there. Just focus on your breathing. You can use this to try and meditate, just calm your mind, and just hold. Or maybe you need to distract yourself because your leg is hurting and you need to be thinking about like what you're gonna have for dinner tonight. I don't know, guys, but just hold it. We're almost there. We have about 15 seconds left. Double check, make sure that nothing has shifted. Make sure your hips are forward, knee is bent, back leg is straight, heel is on the ground. 5 seconds, we got this, guys. And time, nice job. Shake those legs out. We are halfway done. Let's move on to part 3. For part 3, you are gonna be doing a speed form. Now keep in mind, you are not doing this for technique at all. You are just trying to go from point A, from the start of your Poomsae all the way to the end as fast as you can, okay? This is just a fun exercise to practice Poomsae in a different way with a little bit of a different mindset. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, we just have one more part of the challenge. For this part of the challenge, we are gonna be doing a back stance. We're gonna hold that for 1 minute on each side. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, we're resetting the timer for the back stance. Ready, get set, and let's hold. So for the back stance, we want most of our weight on our back leg like this, but we do still want a little bit of weight up here in front, and our front leg is bent. Your back leg is gonna be pointing out away from you over here. Other leg is pointed to the other corner of the room, and your body is pointed in a 45-degree angle, okay? Head facing forward, arms chambered, just hold it right here. Make sure you're not doing anything weird, like sticking your butt out. Make sure your back is straight, everything's aligned. We are halfway there. Like I said, if you feel that leg starting to get a little tired, think about something else. Don't think about this back stance. Think about what you're enjoying from this challenge. Maybe Poomsae is your thing, maybe it's not. For me, if you guys know me, I don't love Poomsae as like my primary thing to compete in, but I still enjoy practicing it, and once in a while, I do enjoy doing it in a competition just for fun. And time. Other side, ready? And I'm gonna do this one facing forward. Ready, get set, and hold. All right, same thing, double check your stance. Make sure that your back leg is bent, facing away one side. Other side, body at that 45-degree angle. Most of your weight is on the back, but we still have a little bit up here in front. And just hold, that's it. Awesome, we're 20 seconds in. If you need something else to think about that post that you're gonna be doing later. You're just gonna snap a selfie when you're done with the challenge and post it so you can help motivate other people to do it and to remind themselves that, hey, that's right, I can do this challenge. It's only gonna take like 10 minutes, pretty easy. Let's see, we have 20 seconds left. We are almost there, guys. Just keep on holding, you can do this. Go ahead, double check, make sure your stance is held well. Make sure you're not doing anything weird like sticking your butt out. Just keep your back straight. We have 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And time. Awesome job, guys. We are done with today's challenge. So make sure you snap a quick selfie, take a quick picture, and post it and tag us at Live Martial Arts. We are featuring everyone who's completing this challenge, so make sure if you want a shout out on Instagram, tag us at Live Martial Arts, or post it on the Facebook group as well. And I will see you guys all in tomorrow's video. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Bye, guys.